So, a warm welcome to you all. We will be underway very shortly, once all the pleasantries are complete. The teams then, Bulgaria against Turkey. I'm Peter Drury, and here with me in the commentary box, I'm glad to report, is Jim Beglin.
Hi everyone, and thanks Peter, it's great to be on board.
So off we go then. Ristov. Tries a through ball. Whose ball? Who's going to get that? Aim forward. But it's Kajolu. Now the pass. Kokchu. Speculative strike. And he's there to make a great save.
Well, I can only add that he's got reflexes that are in perfect working order, Peter. That was very good to watch.
And it's Çalhanoğlu. Kajolu. Çalhanoğlu showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Tries to stroke it through. Çalhanoğlu. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. It's out for a goal kick. Kokchu. Muldur. Yazici passes it through. Yazici. Can he put it away? Goal! Turkey!
Unbelievable.
The goal scorer for Turkey.
That's wonderfully done. Crisp hit, true finish.
Look, volleys can be worked on and improvements can be made, but in the moment it takes timing and balance to catch the perfect spot on the ball to produce brilliance like that. That is absolutely magnificent.
Turkey get themselves into the lead.
Yeah, this is also a chance to see what happens to their level of concentration from here.
Muldur. Akçakolu. Good defending, he knew he had to stop it right there. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Deftly done. Keeper's ball. Ristov. Tries to dink it in. Akçakolu. Muldur. It's gone for a throw-in. Muldur. That's a throw. Decent progress down the left. Looks like a good ball through. Promising cross. Up to meet it! Good delivery, no joy.
Turkey didn't really deal with the wide play. It was a lovely dribble down the flank, but really they've got to double up to try and stop that, and I think with the attempted goal too, they were a little fortunate.
Kajolu. Beris. Çalhanoğlu. Well positioned to make that interception. Yet another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Well, the idea was crafty, but the weight of the pass was just a little light.
Come back to the keeper. Who's going to make this theirs? Looks to slip it through. And that's been repelled. Beris. Kajolu. Forward it goes. Yazici looking to get on the end of this. No way through there. Oh, no question, that's a foul. Kajolu.
There will be 1 minute added time.
It's a good-looking cross. No mistake! Deep into first half stoppage time, a crucial goal. Oh, super header, wonderfully acrobatic.
You know, it takes a lot of courage to do that, to throw yourself at the ball knowing you could catch a boot in the head. Well done, son.
The goal scorer for
Bulgaria grabbed the equaliser, and we're all scored. And that'll be the last act of the first half. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
That was a fantastic 45 minutes of football. I'm really hopeful of more of the same in this second half.
So they come for the break with nothing to separate them. The score 1-1.
Thank you very much for your cooperation.
The second half then, just getting going. Beris. Oh, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Ristov. He's in space and looking for options. He's done well to get his head on that, but couldn't score.
Yeah, they had lots of options in the box there. They've got plenty to chew on at the moment, but no bite. They've come out of the dressing room firing on all cylinders now. We could be in for quite a second half here.
Demiral. Kajolu. Demiral. Çalhanoğlu. Yazici. Akçakolu. He's making good use of his strength there, just refuses to be out-muscled. Not a good throw at all, really. He's given away possession cheaply. Deftly done. How about it? Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
That wasn't the easiest of saves by any means, Peter, and I think his instincts were, well, they were just razor sharp.
Whipped in. Another fruitless header.
Well, there's nothing wrong with the service. They've just been very wasteful in the air.
Kajolu. Seems now to be all about width.
Well, when you have the personnel to create in wide areas, then they need to see as much of the ball as possible.
Looks like a good ball through. Gets up to head it! Goal! Bulgaria! And the game is well and truly turned on its head. A lovely header, but really it was all about the delivery.
Yeah, I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had.
Bulgaria take the lead.
Yeah, they deserve great credit for turning things around, but they'll now need the defensive resilience to equal that attacking flair.
The referee's awarded a free kick. Out to the left it goes.
Badaxi,
Spoon forward.
Muldur,
Tries the route one option. Yazici plays it out to the wing. Fires it in low. He's done very well to get to that.
Oh, he made that look really easy, Peter, but I can assure you that wasn't a routine save. He had to be very switched on there.
Cuts it out. Tries to get it forward quickly.
Demiral, Kukçu,
Pumps it upfield. Boots it upfield. Ball is over the line. In comes the cross. Managed to get it away. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one.
Shakir,
Gets it upfield. Played out to the right. He's dealt with that well. He's had a go! Ball's loose, who's getting there? That's gone a long way up and away. Out wide to the right. Kajiolu goes long and forward. Clears it out of harm's way.
Aktukolu,
Timely intervention. It's a long forward pass. Well, it's a safety in numbers approach to defending here.
Yeah, but dropping deep can bring more trouble.
Yeah?
Well, shots from distance and space in wider positions, besides the obvious issue of inviting most of your opposition high up the pitch. Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
Danger averted for now. Ristov. It'll be a throw-in. Yazici. With the ball through. Well played, he saw that coming. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Pumps it forwards. A long ball, but not especially accurate. Keeper's got good distance on that. Ristov.
There will be 3 minutes added time.
Firmly met.
Aktakolu.
There's only one word for this. It's baffling. That team needs to figure out where the ball needs to be, and it's not there.
Turkey have a free kick. And the referee has shown him a yellow card.
Oh, that was coming, Peter. You know, he was on a final warning after all.
Substitutions taking place.
Keeper sees it all the way. The final whistle. Bulgaria did it the hard way. A testament to their great powers of recovery. They have defied the odds. How would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim?
At times it was like Groundhog Day because of their continuous success in using width as the best route to goal. It worked a treat and it looked a treat. And just to add, usually if you're enjoying good success from the flanks, it will be shut down or disrupted in some way, but they deserve great credit for maintaining energy and a liveliness to their play.
My thanks to Jim alongside me, and as the fans make their way home, so must we. Good evening to you.
And we come to you now with a quick request for support for our World Charity Fund.